What's happening, hot stuffs? It's Monday for responsible day trading, and we're ready to kick it in. It's 10:30. I got, and it makes me so happy, probably for the first time in longer than I can remember, a full 8 hours of sleep. I feel like a unicorn. My charts were refreshing this morning, which took a lifetime. I think that's because I have 4,000 days back on my daily chart, which I chopped down to 2,000. I just like to see the bigger picture. And when I close that up, it gives me a little bit better idea of what's happening immediately sometimes. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and look at the market. So, I thought this one big bar was something that, might have been just kind of a mistake on my data, but no, it's what was really there. Now, I looked at this area and thought, okay, yeah, this is going to push through. When it pulled back right here, I was really expecting this to make the breakthrough, but it did not, which is, hi. It looks like it's trying to make some sort of attempt now. Just peeping out. Oh, let's pull up that daily chart. I pulled it up earlier while things were working themselves out. So, what do we have here but a new high? Okay. Ain't no mountain high enough. Gotta give it a break, give it a breath, let it do its thing. There we go. All right. All that waiting. There was a couple more opportunities back in here. I just wasn't prepared. I'll just leave it right there where it was. There we go. I'll take this 2 points out here. Oops, not what I meant to do. Okay, so I'm going to take this one out, and I'm just going to let this next one sit for a bit. I'll take my hands away from it. We have reached that next area to create a bounce. I'm going to take my exit here as we've got these bars pulling back, slowing and rolling here a little bit. It could keep going, but I've been here for an hour. Now let's talk just a little bit about why I chose this spot over others, okay? And it really had to do with the way the MACDs were reacting. Okay, so that would make oops, plus 8.5 points. And I'm done, guys. I'm going to be heading out of town. What is today? Today's the 1st, right? So I'll be heading out of town on Wednesday, and I'll be back Friday. So I may or may not trade tomorrow. It really just depends on how I'm feeling, how the market looks like it's moving. Hell, I may even come back to this later on today, although I doubt it. I got a lot of things I want to accomplish, just like every other day. And now I just want to discuss one more thing before I go. Had I left my risk right up in here, okay, and had I left my target right down here, I have a really good feeling it was going to make it. But I also have, I have a limit to myself. I'm not here, I don't need to make 50 billion points. I mean, some people are here for that, and more power to you. That's beautiful if that's the way that you work and your brain works. And I'm so happy for you if it does. Like, really, I may need to take a lesson from you. And I'm working on being able to do that. But one thing I've realized is that if you want your brain to be on point, you need to take care of all those little things that your brain says you need to take care of. Things like making sure you have breakfast in the morning. Mine, it has a lot to do with meditating and putting my thought process in the right direction. That means everything to me. Spending time with my kids, who are both still asleep. They were up late last night making cinnamon candy. Hi. There's things to do, places to go, people to see, and lots of love to give. So that's gonna wrap it up for me, guys. I may see you tomorrow. I may not see you till next week, but anyway it goes, you know, I look forward to seeing you on the profitable side.